Hi student, I am Asit Tiwari and welcome to the Zoom classes, and this is the first lecture of the Geography 11th class, and the lesson is in India location. You remember in the 9th class the lesson of the 9th class in Geography, India size and location, but in the 11th class we will only discuss the India and locations. So student, it is very important lesson for the CBC classes, as well as it is also very important chapter for the competitive services, competitive exams. So student, let's we start the chapter India location. In the first I will tell something about India. Before I will just draw the map of India. This is the map of India, and this is my advice to all the students that they should also make sharpness over their drawing on the map of India and so many other countries. Even if they are the student of geography, so they should also sharpen their hand over the maps and drawing of the geography. It will help you to well understand the lessons. So the first this is map of India, then I will draw the map of the world. This is North America, this is South America, this is Europe, this is Africa, and this is Europe, and this is India. So we will zoom it India. So this is India, and this is Australia. So student, the location of India, if you see there, it is in the northern hemisphere. That is very important things to understand. So you should know what is the hemisphere. Hemisphere means the half portion of the earth. This is not the accurate drawing, this is the accurate drawing, and the northern hemisphere, and this is the southern hemisphere. Hemisphere means the part of the earth, the half part of the earth, north hemisphere and the south hemisphere. So India not only in the northern hemisphere, northern direction, but also it is also tilted toward the east direction. So India study in the geography, in the location, how does it study? India lies in the eastern location, northeast location, because it lies in the north direction and tilted toward the east. So you can better understand India is in the east direction also, as well as in the north direction, north hemisphere. And you remember the location of India, which is above the equator line, and there are the two other lines. One is called the Tropic of Cancer and second is called the Tropic of Capricorn. So you can better understand all these lines. This is the Tropic of Cancer. So there is the, you'll say, confusion about this line. What is the particular name in the geography of this line? So all these lines which are running from east to west direction or west to east direction, all these lines known as a latitude line, and the line which are running from north to south direction, these lines are known as a longitude lines.